So I noticed that Jesse had been outside for quite a while, and I peeked out the window to see what he was doing. And I believe he's out there working on getting the solar system prepped. Hey.
Hey. What's going on?
Just checking on you. What are you up to?
Well, as many of you know, we have our Lion Energy solar panel that we got back, first part of April, I think. Yeah, click on the link above, right up there somewhere, and you can check out all the information on that. When we put it in, I didn't like how I had to leave my door open to plug it all in. So, Kara ordered me this handy dandy little plug system. The problem is the Lion Energy came with this plug. So I got an adapter that I should be able to hook them together. Now this, I am going to drill a hole somewhere around here and mount this. So that way I don't have to leave my door open when we hook up the solar. And while I was doing the solar, we decided it was time to get another battery. As many of you know, we've been running our trailer off one lithium Lion Energy. They're the UT 1300 batteries, and they work great. Well, I should say it works great. We've loved it because with one battery, we've been able to make it through the night, running the furnace the whole night. When we're with Kara's parents and they're running their furnace all night, they make it till about 3 in the morning on their 2 deep cycle batteries. One lithium Lion Energy battery lasts the entire night. But we don't want to just last one night. We need a little bit more power. So we snagged another Lion Energy lithium battery. Lion Energy has been great to work with, great customer service. I can't speak highly enough of them. And when I went and picked it up, I asked, hey, can we still give our viewers a 15% discount? And they said, heck yeah. So make sure you click on the link down below, save yourself 15%, which is a whole bunch of money on these expensive lithium batteries. I know a lot of people think, well, they're too expensive, they aren't worth it. That has not been our experience at all. I think lithium's the way of the future, and, well, I don't think we know it. I wouldn't buy a drill today without a lithium battery. Why would I put a non-lithium battery in my trailer? It just doesn't make sense. So I'm gonna get that installed as well. Hopefully we'll be all ready to go with solar and with lithium, get out there and boondock some more. First thing I need to do is both batteries have to have the same charge on them. The one in the box has 60%. I put it on my trickle charger, but my trickle charger can only get to 60%. The one that we have in the trailer is at 100%. So Lion Energy said, don't do that, make sure they're both at the same charge. So I'm gonna pull the old one out and put the new one in and get it charging and get it charged up to 100%. The great thing with these lithium batteries is they're so dang lightweight. You don't have to herniate yourself trying to lift them in and out. Heck, Kara could probably even lift it.
I know I can.
They have these handy dandy little gauges right here. So you can see, the battery's a little bit dusty, but see it's at 100%.
So I am showing you just how light one of these batteries are.
Now Kara's not very strong.
Thanks, hon. And the handles on here are super nice to just hold on to. And yeah, I can lug this, you know, wherever need be.
Yeah, easy.
Easy.
Let's grab the new one and throw in. That looks way cleaner. I guess I'll let you put it in. Positive on this side. Kara's even going to put it in. I have these 2 pieces of foam because it's so much smaller than our old deep cycle that there was extra room in the box for it. So I just slide it to one side, and these 2 pieces of foam fit perfectly in there, like that. That way it doesn't move around. Here we have our Lion Energy solar panel. We are not full timing, so we don't need some, you know, huge solar system. Just enough to charge the batteries when we need it. But I'm gonna go through and get it set up so I know where to run everything, or kind of where to run everything for now. One thing I've really liked dealing with Lion Energy is they're kind of a one-stop shop for everything. You can get your lithium battery, your solar panels, all that. You can even buy bundles that puts it all together for you. With having it all in one shop, you can kind of make sure everything's going to work together. So that's going to be set out somewhere like that. So these are the Lion 100 12 volt, and maximum power is 100 watts. Open circuit voltage 21.6, short circuit current 6.11, maximum power voltage 18, maximum power current 5.56. And with this panel set, you can hook 4 of them together if you choose to. So here's my output. Just hook in like that. And then I have, looks like about 25 feet of cord here that I've nicely tangled up for myself. And that should be able to get it anywhere around the trailer. Now the goal is to be able to plug it in just like that. But we'll see how it goes. Where do you think, Kara? That's about right there. Do you think I should come up higher or lower, or what do you think? I think that should be all right.
I would think so.
Just down below that light.
I mean, the inside's pretty open, right?
Yeah.
Nothing
yeah,
on
there's
that
nothing
panel.
to hit there. Maybe what I'll do is I'll just measure straight down from the center of the light. That way it lines up and it's not like out here scawampus. Yeah, that's what I'll do.
I agree on that.
Yeah. Comment down below if you've ever drilled holes in your trailer. I have never drilled a hole in this trailer, so I guess there's a first for everything, but it's not my favorite thing. Little problem I'm running into is the length off of this. It's not quite long enough to reach from down in here all the way up to my solar charge box, but I do have an extra piece here, so I think I could probably just cut that and splice it together, and that'll give me enough length. Guess we'll find out.
I wanted to share a little bit of information on these Lion Safari UT batteries. You can see that it is a 12.8 volt. It has 105 amp hours. Life cycles on this battery, look at that, 3,500 plus, where that means this battery can go completely dead and revived that many times. And like we also said, the weight on this is 23 pounds. And not only on these Lion batteries is they have a lifetime warranty. So that is huge all on its own.
All right, here goes nothing,
Huh. A little scary. Never drilled a hole in my trailer before. I'm gonna go with a 7/8 hole. Should be enough. Guess I'm committed now. We're through. That went through easier than I thought.
See our new hold down in there with our plug. I think it's a perfect match.
Yeah, it looks pretty good from this side too, Kara. Come check this out.
Good on your end?
Yeah, come look at this. I think that looks pretty dang good.
Oh, that is perfect.
And I just eyeballed it. That'll look great.
Yeah.
black on black, you'll not even notice that it's there.
Yeah. And then we'll be able to plug in super easy. Yeah, I'll take it. Now we have 4 little screws here to put in. I'm wondering though, do you think I ought to put a little dab of silicone? Probably have to put a little dab of silicone behind it.
I would think so.
Just for some water protection,
Yeah.
being on the front like this. All right, I'm gonna grab some silicone. I found this old black silicone, but I don't know how old it is, so it might be all dried up. I can barely get the screw out of it. Put the screw in it to try to keep it from drying up, but I think it dried up inside of it. Not a good sign when it unscrews out instead of just pulls out. Yeah, I doubt there's anything left in it, but oh, we got some.
Well gooped.
I don't know if you guys can see this, but from where we put the plug, it doesn't quite reach our charging station. So I need to splice on up to here, and then we should be good. I have this little extra piece here. I'm just gonna cut off the ends, and hopefully it'll work. Got the wires all put in. And I was wondering why this thing's not flashing, but then I noticed, like a dummy, I forgot to hook the negative to the battery. So I'll just hook the negative to the battery, and then we'll see if that turns back on so it'll charge. There's always something I forget. And as you can see, it's all lit up. Installation done on that part. Now just hook the solar panel up to our new port. Little adapter. These little things here were turned the wrong direction, but you just reach in, turn them. That way, you can just click them together. Now, I can plug in right over here, Kara. Bada bing, bada boom. Pretty slick. Little green light here is even turned on, saying it's getting some solar power, and it's like 8:30. So even with the sun setting and everything else, which it looks like an amazing sunset tonight, we're still getting solar power. It means everything's hooked up. Now just to wait for this battery to get up to 100%, and we can finalize this thing. It'll probably take the rest of the night to get charged up.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Day number 2. Last night we ran out of time while charging the battery, getting up to 100%. Plus our friends called and said, hey, let's go get ice cream. So we went and got ice cream. All we have left to do today is throw in the other battery, hook it all up, and we're done. Really simple, do-it-yourself solar lithium install. Lion Energy has made this. I mean, if I can do it, anybody can do it. Comment down below. Do you run solar panels? Do you run lithium batteries? Are you running deep cycle? What are you running in your unit? One thing with this trailer, our second battery goes clear back here, and it is a pain to get in and out, especially those old deep cycle that weigh like 100 pounds. Hopefully this one goes in a little bit easier since it's only 25 pounds. This should give us so much more battery life and power, and I can't wait to see how it does. All right, reach over here. Whoop. There we go. Nice, so much easier. With the deep cycles, I'm usually crawled up in here lifting it out. Oh, what a pain, but that wasn't too bad.
I don't know about you guys, but we need to do some serious housekeeping. We always tend to do so good beginning of the season when we get everything organized, but wow, this is ridiculous.
Lion Energy has been great to work with. We've really enjoyed having their battery over the last few years, and I think they make a really great quality product. If you're interested in getting a DIY solar setup, go online, click on the link down below, use the promo code JauntJunkies. They can set you up with the whole thing for your trailer. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe, all those sort of things, and enjoy your weekend.